Hi, can you help me? I am looking for some items. Of course. What do you need? I need tomatoes and spinach. You will find the tomatoes in vegetable section. Where can I find the spinach? The spinach is usually right next to it. Great. I always get confused with the different types of tomatoes. What should I look for? For cooking, ripe tomatoes are good choice. Thanks. What about spinach? Fresh spinach is best if you are using it in salad. If you are cooking, you can also use frozen spinach. Glad to know. I will grab both. Yeah, why not? Now I also need chicken. The chicken is in the meat section, back of the store. Thanks. I need fresh chicken. You will find all fresh chickens here. Thanks. Where is the snacks counter? At the front of the store. Okay, I will collect it. What about the brown sugar? It is at the back, near the bakery section. Thank you. I will check there. You are welcome. Enjoying your shopping. Few minutes later. My shopping is complete. Keep all the items here. Yeah, sure. Check your bill. How will you pay? I will pay in cash. Okay, your payment is done. Thank you. Visit again. Keep practicing.